Hi all. Unboxing time again, so I'm just going to get right to it. This is probably one of my daughters for Christmas. It is. I got my daughter a Stevie Nicks t-shirt for Christmas. So, there's that. And now, this Temu, the other, yesterday's unboxing, or was it 2 days ago's unboxing? Whatever. Yeah, that whole, pin did get lost from the shipment, so they're reshipping me a Cheshire Cat pin. Okay, the stuff came in boxes. I wouldn't have to worry. Okay, this is for that's another thing for my daughter for Christmas. That's mine. Wow. Hope that's okay in there. Okay. Show you what I picked up on this shipment. I got myself, this is going to go with my art supply stuff. This is a wet palette thing for painting. So I was like, okay. So that'll go with my painting stuff. I got these for my daughter. This is actually for doing interior stuff for automotive work. So pick that up for her. And this is wow. Come on, undo. This is a mermaid on a rock for D&D. Or a siren, either one. At least that came in one piece. This better not be the... I hope this ain't it. Yeah, oh my freaking God. They really... Well, this ain't nothing. This is not even for D&D. This is for like a train thing. So anybody who's got a HO train, I'm probably going to give this to. My buddy Lou's been talking about putting a train set up. So I got steps now on a bridge he can have. If he wants it, because that's just too small for what I want to use it. Then of course, this well, so far so good. Yeah, hey, not really damaged. I finally got Megatron from the model, so now I have all 6. I have the complete set. Yay. I got all the stuff I got free, so it's like... And now eBay, which is good. I have the thing out on the table over there. But finally, I got the Storm Giant size card. The guy had to refund me last week when I sent him the message. So I had to go find another seller. And I'm glad I picked it up. I actually picked it up for $2 less, or $1.50 or $2 less. So I was like, yay. So now I have the 94 and 95 set complete with inserts. And that does it so far. And as always, I thank you all for viewing and subscribing. King Joel.